golden spice whose history in Indian cuisine is timeless.
Most Indian dishes include turmeric to give the iconic curry color, flavor, and aroma.
It's part of the ginger family with its thick finger-like roots.
The most common way it is used is in the powder form. The leaves of the plant are often used as wraps to steam food.
It was initially introduced into cooking due to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties,
There are many other uses for turmeric,
such as treatments for skin ailments, cosmetic purposes,
and also to prevent and treat a wide range of diseases.
such as types of cancers, Alzheimer's, diabetes, etc.
A popular concoction made with turmeric is known as golden milk or golden tea.
It is commonly used to treat common colds and infections.
It consists of turmeric powder, ground ginger, ground cinnamon, honey, and lemon juice.
If you haven't tried a cup of turmeric tea, or as I like it, a turmeric latte, now's the perfect time to whip up a batch. Cheers!
Cloves. Cloves or lavang are a very important and very popular Indian spice. Cloves are also flower buds originated from the islands of Indonesia. Cloves can help you kill bacteria and help you lose weight. Cloves are used in many recipes, and cloves are especially used in rice and many types of mixed vegetables. Cloves can help you with your bone health and your oral health. And did you know that cloves help you with your immune system? Wow.
Liburan. Dian, what's that? Lemon. Lemon. Is it a fruits or vegetable?
Fruits!
Fruits. That's right. Do you know how helpful it's for our body?
Yes,
What?
it helps for nausea. It could even include medicine, flu fighters, and
Have the blood
blood
pressure.
pressure.
Yes, and it's for
And it
also
also helps lose weight.
weight. Very good. And you know it's also help for the vein also.
It is?
Yes, and cold and flu fighters. And if you drink in the morning every day with the warm water and lemon, it's so helpful. You remember Dada and Bai is also using?
Yes.
And in Bhagavad Gita also it says lemon is so good. In Adhyay 16 or 17. Yeah. So for Sattvic Bhojan we are using lemon for that. Let's have a lemonade. So you can get energy for Garba. Let's drink it. Cheers.
Namaste. Today I'm going to be talking about curry leaves. Hey, your blood sugar is lower than normal. You know why? Because we had some of this, curry leaves. And all the benefits for curry leaves is that it helps fight diabetes, relieves stress, good for eyesight, promotes weight loss, stimulates hair growth, and lowers cholesterol levels. And also smells really good. And tastes amazing. Mmm, yummy.
Hi friends, welcome to our kitchen. This is Sarita.
And this is Rama.
And Rama, what do you have?
Little black June peppercorns.
Ooh, peppercorns. What are the benefits of it?
It helps to prevent cancer, fight cold and flu,
Yeah, we need that in our pot curry a lot.
and also improves digestion.
Yeah.
In South India, we used to prepare pepper rasam
Pepper rasam with a little bit of hot rice and ghee in it. Yum.
and pepper rice.
Pepper rice is really good. Yeah, it helps in digestion too. And I have sesame seeds. These little white pearls are power packed with iron and calcium. And it helps ladies a lot, Rama. We have to use sesame daily, okay? Because it helps in menopause, fights PCOD, and even anti-aging properties, which we should not forget. We can use it in different forms. I have a spicy sesame powder with a little bit of chili and salt in it. Just toast it and grind it. And if you have a sweet tooth like me, just a til laddu with a little bit of ghee and good. Yum.
Thank you,
This is
Sarita.
yum. Thank you. Enjoy.
Namaste. Today I'm explaining how mint is beneficial for our daily routines. It is very good for digestion and it treats eczema. Mint oil is very effective curing headaches. It's very good for oral health. It's inhibiting bacterial growth. And it smells so good. It's also great for weight loss.
Today, my topic is chili. Chili is a synonym for cold. Bars, not that chili.
Hey guys,
today my topic is on Chile. Chile is a small country located right beside Argentina. Capital of Chile is Santiago with a rough population of about
Sparse, not that Chile. No, not those chilies. This chili, and this chili.
Okay, let's try this one more time, okay? So, chili is an Indian spice. So chilies can come in many different forms. You can see raw chili, the most common one, and powdered chili, also used in Indian curries. So chilies grow on plants such as this. This is the red chili plant. It smells phenomenal. So yeah, fun fact, actually, chilies, if you eat them, they kill bacteria in the stomach, which is pretty cool in mine.
So, why can I feed you it?
What are you doing?
I'm making onion salad.
Is it healthy?
Yeah, it's very healthy. Would you like to know benefits?
Of course.
It has so many nutrients. It helps to digest your food very easily when you eat raw onion. It helps to maintain your blood pressure, diabetes, and reduce your cholesterol. And when you have nose bleeding, just take an onion slice, smell it, and after some time it will be gone. And it's very useful for your hair also. See how many benefits it has. So from now, eat onion every day and be healthy.
Mom, my stomach hurts.
Oh, your stomach hurts? Don't worry. I'll have the carom seeds water. That's why have it and you will be fine. Go. Oh, hi. So do you want to know the benefit of carom seeds? See, these are the carom seeds, ajwain. And this is the plant of ajwain. Ajwain seeds or carom seeds not only helps in maintaining the digestive system, but also eases the toothaches. It treats cold and cough, it regulates blood pressure and cholesterol, and it also eases the pain due to the arthritis. And moreover, it reduces fat. So, see how tiny the seeds are and how many benefits it has.
Mama, I'm feeling better.
Oh, you're feeling better? Are you hungry now?
Yes.
I'll make some delicious ajwain puri for you. First, if it is made out of ajwain, health and taste go hand in hand.
अभी काम खत्म नहीं हो रहा, ये सिर दर्द बढ़ता जा रहा है, बुखार जैसा भी लग रहा है।
फ्लू जैसे लग रहा है?
हाँ, सर्दी भी हो रही है।
ओह, ठीक है, मैं काम करती हूँ। मैं टी लेके आती फटाफट आपके लिए गरम। तुलसी की टी है। आपको इसलिए बोला था कि आयुर्वेदा फॉलो करो। अपने हिंदुओं में तुलसी 5000 साल से उसके फायदे मेडिकली साइंटिफिकली प्रूव हुए, इसके लिए लोग पीते हैं, रोज लेते हैं। हेल्थ के लिए, कफ के लिए, कोल्ड के लिए, फ्लू के लिए, हार्ट के लिए।
टाइम ही नहीं मिलता है।
मुझे पता है अपने बच्चे और हस्बैंड बिजी होते हैं, पर अपना भी खुद का ध्यान रखना चाहिए। कोविड की सीजन में तो लेना ही चाहिए। तुलसी के फायदे इतने अच्छे हैं, पूरे वर्ल्ड में ये वर्शिप करते हैं तुलसी को, तो फुल ही प्लांट गिर जाए। कितने सारे तुलसी के टाइप्स होते हैं।
अच्छा,
हाँ, कितने सारे टाइप्स है। तो आपको हर एक तुलसी अलग अलग टाइप के, हर एक के फायदे भी अलग अलग है।
क्या फायदे हो रहे हैं इससे?
हार्ट में होती है कोलेस्ट्रॉल, ब्लड शुगर, ब्लड प्रेशर, फिर मेटाबॉलिज्म, इन्फ्लेमेशन, हार्ट डिसीज, स्किन अच्छी रखता है, हेयर ग्रोथ अच्छा रखता है, कितने सारे फायदे।
I'm having such a big stomach ache. Oh, I'm having such a big headache. Hey, Bhagwan, can you help me?
सर दर्द, पेट दर्द और खांसी सर्दी सबका इलाज है हींग हींग हींग। एक चुटकी हींग 2 चम्मच पानी में घोल बना के कॉटन स्वॉब से नाभि पर लगा लें तो गैस संबंधित सारी पेट की समस्याएं दूर होंगी। ऐसे ही सर दर्द में माथे पे हींग का पानी रब कर लें, सर दर्द गायब। सीने पे रब करने से खांसी और सर्दी से राहत पाओगे।
Yay! I don't have headache. My chest congestion is also gone. My stomach ache is also gone. Thank you God. Thank you. एक चुटकी हींग की कीमत अब तो जानो बाबू।
Ginger is probably the most popularly consumed root vegetable in all of Indian cooking. From vegetables, curries, dal to pickles, it is an absolute necessity in Indian households. Ginger not only has an amazing flavor and aroma, but it also has multiple medical benefits. One of the most popular ways of consuming ginger is through chai. Chai can actually help fight off cold and flu, and billions of people drink it every single day. Ginger can also help reduce inflammatory diseases, for example, arthritis and intestinal inflammation, and it can also help reduce the nausea that you would feel in motion sickness. My personal recommendation, try to consume ginger, whether it be fresh or powdered or in any other form, in all types of your cooking. A little bit can go a long way.
What are you doing, Mom?
I'm filling up my spice jar.
Oh,
See, these are all spices my mother used to have.
I remember this one. This one is cinnamon.
Yeah, cinnamon, also known as dalchini, and it's available in powder form, also as a whole. Also, people use as essential oil and supplements.
I remember using this when I had cold and cough. You mixed it with honey.
Yeah, other than that, it's having so many health benefits. Yeah, so consuming cinnamon will reduce the blood pressure, and it controls the blood sugar level, and it improves digestion, and also it's proven for weight loss, and also it's improved the memory power.
Wow.
Yeah.
Mommy, this is so bitter.
Oh, you're right, Tanya, because I made this sukri with the fenugreek. Fenugreek is very bitter in the taste, but it's very healthy because they are rich in the nutrients like the dietary fiber, protein, minerals, and multivitamins. That's the reason fenugreek used to increase the breast milk production. It will help you to reduce the inflammation, back and joint pain. It also reduces the blood glucose level, reduce the cholesterol level, and improves your heart health. Traditionally, we were only using the fenugreek as a seed, or we were using it as a leaf or herb. But nowadays, if people doesn't like the taste of the fenugreek, they can go to pharmacy and buy the fenugreek capsules and follow the instruction on the bottle.
ये है हमारे भारतवर्ष की रसोई का खजाना।